The strongest tornado ever recorded was the Tri-State tornado on March 18, 1925, in the United States. This tornado holds several terrifying records. Wind speed, estimated to be more than 300 miles. Distance, 210 miles across Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. The longest tornado path ever recorded. Duration, about 3.5 hours. Deaths, 695 people died, making it the deadliest tornado in U.S. history. Damage, thousands of homes were destroyed and several towns were almost leveled. In addition, the Moore tornado, 2013 in Oklahoma, was also very strong, with an EF5 category and wind speeds reaching 210 mph, causing catastrophic damage in densely populated areas. The strongest tornadoes usually occur in Tornado Alley, an area in the United States that often experiences severe storms.